Hi class, welcome to today's reading lesson. Today, remember, we are learning about our five senses. So our eyes help us see, our nose help us smell, our mouth helps us taste, our ears help us hear, and our hands help us feel and touch. Okay, so yesterday and the day before, we listened to senses at the seashore. So today we are going to listen to a different read aloud. You're going to see it on Wonders, and it's using those five senses, but not at a seashore. What other way do we usually use our senses? We use them when we're eating food and making food. So you're going to have a read aloud about a feast of the five senses. Now, what does feast mean? We can kind of get a picture of what that means in this picture down here. There's a lot of food, so a feast is where we have a lot of food, okay? So the other words you'll need to know in that read aloud is senses. Remember our five senses we just went over. Needs is when you're making bread. So kneading bread, you make the dough and you knead it. Finished means everything is done. Explore is when you're kind of looking at stuff, you're exploring new things. So it's learning about new things. And then seeing, remember we see with our eyes, and that is also our sight word this week. Okay, let's go ahead and get into our letter this week. So remember our letters right here, it's S, uppercase, lowercase s. Our picture is pointing to this sun, which begins with the sound S. So let's do our letter word sound. S, sun, S. Okay, now what I'm going to do now is tell you three words, and only two of them begin with S, and one does not. So what I want you to do after I say the three words, you're going to repeat the two that start with S, okay? So if I said sun, sing, door, you would say sun, sing, because those are the two words that begin with S. Okay? Let's try it. Soft, mix, seed. If you said soft, seed, you're right. Those both begin with S. Okay, try these. Mop, sand, sane. You should say sand, same, because they both start with S. All right? Sit, sack, kite. Sit and sack both begin with S. Last one, you, sing, see. Sing, see, both start with our S sound. All right, now remember how we write our S. It's like a snake, a slithery snake is how we made that S. So up here, when we're on our line making our S, our uppercase always touches the top line. Then we go around the other way to touch our bottom line. And same with our lowercase, okay? All right, now what we want to do is look at our sight word this week. So it's pretty cool that our sight word is this starting letter is our letter this week. So our sight word is, spell it S-E-E, that spells see. Okay, so let's skywrite it. S-E-E, see. What I want to do now is read a few sentences and point out our sight word, okay? So these are simple sentences. They're only a few words. We start with an uppercase letter and we end with a period, okay? Or a question mark. That's another punctuation, which are at the end of our sentence. Punctuation mark, okay? So what we're going to do is find the sight word we're practicing this week. Ready? I can see. What do we notice about this one? I can see. What I notice is I was a sight word we've had before. Can is a sight word we've had before. And see is our sight word we've had now. So you guys should know every word in this sentence. That's pretty cool. You can read a whole sentence. I can see. Whoops. sight word see is right here. S-E-E. S-E-E is see, so we circle it. We'll square it. Let's look at our next one. I see the, another sight word we've learned, sun. I see the sun, and I drew a little picture to help us figure out that word. Remember, good readers look at the pictures to help them read, because sometimes we might not be able to sound out the word or know what it is. It might not be a sight word. It's some word we've never seen, but the picture can show us what that word is. So if you saw just a picture of the sun, you would know, oh, this starts with a S, and it has a picture of a sun, so I bet that that word is sun. Okay, so I see the sun, and S-E-E is our word, so I'm going to circle it there, see. Now, our last sentence, see the sun with a question mark. So I'm asking, see the sun? Do you see the sun? There's see. All right, on Wonders, you will have a couple of activities. Remember, you'll have that read aloud about the feast. Really think about how they're using their senses to make this feast. They should be using all of their senses. Okay, you will be doing this phonemic awareness, matching to some category words. You'll have some phonics, and I think that's it. You might have some seesaw activities as well to go this week. So tomorrow we'll talk about what we learned from the feast read aloud. Really be thinking about how to use those 5 senses. Practice your sight words. Remember, we can make full sentences with the sight words we know right now. See is this week, and we've already learned some others before. Remember, I, can, we, the. So we know 5 words now. So we should be pretty good and be able to make a small sentence, all right? Good luck, guys. Let me know if you have any questions.